What's up, everybody? Mr. Ganja here, back at it with another video. And today we are just making a simple compost fungal dominated tea. So first thing you need is your fungi culture. Yeah, this one doesn't look like it's fully developed yet, but trust me, it is. This is called Santa's beard. It looks good to me. So this is just worm castings, mushroom compost, kelp meal, glacial rock dust, and a little bit of fish emulsions, and then a little bit of soluble kelp meal, or not kelp meal, but just regular kelp for your like watering. And you only want to add like 50 milliliters of water to it. So add some little tiny bit of kelp, tiny little bit of fish emulsion. Spray that on your surface, and about 2-3 days, you have mycelium. Make sure it's on a heat mat. Next, you want to add to your tea some glacial rock dust. This is all food for your mycelium. You're not trying to grow bacteria in this, so you're not adding any sugars at all. It's all fungal dominated food. And then next is kelp meal. Forgot one thing. Forgot one thing. Alright, let's go get it. You want some oats. That's very important. You want some oats. Fungi love oats. I think you can use malted barley too, but that's just fucking expensive. Well, is it expensive? I don't know. I never looked into it, but from my knowledge, just use oats. It's simple to get, easy to get, cheap. So first thing is mix up your culture. Oh yeah. You want it to smell like fucking earth and mushrooms. Well, earth, but if it smells like mushrooms, that's okay. In my case, it just smells like mainly earth with a hint of mushroom. So mix that in. Mix it in pretty good, because the mycelium mainly likes to grow at the top. So you want to, squish it in really good. I'm getting a mess on the fucking floor. Good thing I got a vacuum. So mix her up a little bit, Your hands dirty, you just put it in the water. Clean it off if you want. Look at that, already turns already nice and dark. Alright. And you can add humic and folic acid into this, but since we have worm castings and compost, all the humic and folic acid is already in this. So you don't really need to add more, but you can if you want. I don't know. I don't want to just dump it in and get a mess. Try my best here. Take your time. You don't got to rush it. You don't want to get compost everywhere. Just shake her in. Look at the bubbles already forming. Look at the foam. It's alive, that's for sure. Alright. The rest doesn't want to come out, so, just scrape it from the bottom. Make sure it's all nice. And then dump her back in. Look at the foam already. Nice. That's some good shit right there. Quite literally. Alright. Alright. Next, wash your hand too after. And mix it up a little bit, Try to break up the big chunks a little bit with your hand. If there's any big chunks. Yeah, there's a few big chunks. Yeah, your hand's going to be a little bit dirty. Make sure you got paper towel on hand, which I don't. Look at all that foam already. That's fucking beautiful shit, man. Alright. We're dripping everywhere, but fuck it. Fuck it. Next is our glacial rock dust. I don't really measure this shit out, to be honest. I just grab a measurement. Grab a decent helping, and just plop her in. It disappeared right away. you know? Same thing with the kelp meal. Open her up. It's hard doing it with one hand, especially when it's wet. Just get a ram scoop. That looks about good. And just plop her in. And then give her a good mixing. I shouldn't start mixing it with a spoon. I shouldn't not have used my hand, I know. But I like to get into the compost when it's in the water and break it up. So that's why I use my hand. Make sure it's all nice and mixed up. Boom. Fungal dominated compost tea. Brew it for 36 to 48 hours and you'll be golden. You feed it to your plants just how it is. Don't dilute it or nothing. Fuck that. Fuck diluting your compost teas. It just makes it weak. Anyway, stay calm, stay high, grow some, smoke some. Peace, everybody. Cheers.